finally nasentensyahan na po ng panghabang buhay na pagkabilanggo?
Well, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko po kay Sir Joey kahapon, it was a big sigh of relief po. Finally, after 7 years na inantay namin, and talagang, we were aspiring talaga for a guilty, perfect conviction, a guilty verdict, and we got it po.
And ano po yung unang tumakbo sa isip ninyo when you learned about the verdict, the decision of the court? Kontento po ba kayo dun sa kinalabasan?
Opo, syempre ang una ko po naisip is yung family. Naisip ko po yung daughter namin. And of course, naisip ko po yung anak namin, si Ateo. Well, yun nga sinasabi namin na this is for him. Kasi kailangan namin siya ipaglaban because he cannot fight for himself. So, as parents, ginawa po namin yung kailangan para sa anak ko.
Ma'am Carmina, alam ko hindi madali yung pitong taon na pinagdaanan ninyo. Pero dun po sa haba ng panahon na yun, ano po yung pinaka naging challenging sa inyo?
Well, the court hearing is the one that is challenging. We made sure that every hearing from the start, yung arraignment, from the very day we started the hearing, kami ang dalawang nag-a-attend. We never missed a hearing date. And every document, every witness that the interview namin, and then we were able to present them, and we were very much satisfied. Kasi we wanted to do all of those tasks ourselves Kasi ayokong iba yung humawak nun because story ng anak ko yan it's my son. That's why ang gusto namin mangyari is kami ang mag-handle nun